Hi, I'm Frank Linton, and it's my pleasure to introduce you to the Arcadia Central Station. For the longest time, to use FreeSpeak 2 and Helixnet, you had to have a FreeSpeak 2 base 2 and a Helixnet main station, and then link them together using 2-wire or 4-wire. The Arcadia Central Station allows us to bring in both FreeSpeak 2, FreeSpeak Edge, Helixnet, and Dante channels, all in a one rack unit device. The front panel can be used for management and as a user station. You have the option to use a gooseneck mic or speaker or headset. The USB port can be used for upgrading the system or registering belt packs. The menu button allows you to access the waterfall menu for configuration. You have 4 programmable keys and a dedicated reply key. Each key has a dedicated talk button, listen button, individual volume controls, and a call button. There's also a main volume control for the system. The shift button allows you to access a stage announce, remote mic kill, and an all talk. On the rear of the Arcadia, you have an internal and external power supply for redundancy. GPIs, general purpose inputs, which could be used for connecting to foot switches, for say routing audio inside the system, and GPOs, which are normally open relays, which allow you to do something like PTTing a radio. The 2-wire ports operate in both Clearcom and RTS modes of operation and provide power, termination, and nulling for 2-wire systems. The 4-wire ports are analog line level audio, which can be used to connect to other intercom systems or to a mixing console to bring in program audio. The splitter/transceiver port allows you to connect to your E1 transceivers and splitters. You can connect to the splitter or the transceiver over copper, but if you're going to use fiber, you have to go directly to the splitter. The LAN ports allow you to use management, which is our web interface, AES67, which is the connection to our IP transceivers, Helixnet connectivity, Dante, primary and secondary. LAN ports can be configured to do multiple functionalities or separated. The Central Station supports both FreeSpeak 2 and FreeSpeak Edge belt packs and transceivers. This means that the Arcadia can support 1.9, 2.4, and 5 GHz systems at the same time. FreeSpeak, being digital wireless systems, allow each individual belt pack to be programmed differently. We do this by creating roles and then programming the roles. Each key can be either a point-to-point, a party line, a group, or a button for an interface, say 2-wire or Dante. Transceivers can connect over E1 or IP. E1 transceivers are a plug-and-play type system, but have a lower density of belt packs per transceiver than IP. The IP transceivers do require a little bit more setup, but offer a greater density of belt packs per transceiver. One of the great things that we have in the Arcadia is the ability to connect to Helixnet endpoints over an IP connection. Helixnet is a digital party line system, which means that any of the available party line channels that we have enabled in Arcadia are available to every endpoint at once, allowing users to either pre-select a role that's configured or change the individual channels they're talking and listening to at the actual endpoint. Dante allows you to easily interface with input and output devices on the Dante network, such as pre-fade microphones, page zoning, monitoring systems, and recorders. Another great advantage of Dante is it allows us to easily interconnect to other intercom systems. The CCM allows us to discover and pair our belt packs and transceivers. There's a 5 GHz channel scan feature to allow you to find which channels are available for your Edge system. The configuration page allows you to set up your roles, and monitoring allows you to see the status of the system. Arcadia is a license-based system that allows you to select from 16 to 128 ports. Users have the option to upgrade their system at a later time in 16-port increments. License ports refer to your FreeSpeak 2 and FreeSpeak Edge belt packs, Dante channels, and your Helixnet enabled channels. To access a port calculator, please use the link in the description below. Thank you for spending time learning about the Arcadia Central Station, and we look forward to adding you to the long list of happy customers.